Hey guys, Holly here from Muc-Off. The cyclocross season is just kicking off and cyclocross is arguably the muddiest sport out there. So we're going to show you today how to clean, protect and lube your CX Steed to keep it running as sweet as a nut. Here we have the Canyon In-Flight CF-SL 8.0. A similar frame is ridden by cyclocross superstars Pauline Ferrand-Prévot and Mathieu van der Poel. So the quickest and easiest way to blast off the mud on a bike as caked in mud as this one is to use our pressure washer. This pressure washer is specific to bikes, so it's safe to use on those bearings. So now with the Muc-Off Nano Cleaner, we leave it to soak in for a couple of minutes, 2 to 5 minutes. Nano Cleaner, unlike most other cleaners on the market, attacks the dirt and breaks it into nano-sized molecules. So what that means is it's safe on all bike surfaces, carbon fibre, metal, but it gets rid of the dirt really effectively and efficiently. So now we're going to use the drivetrain cleaner. This product was originally developed with Team Sky, now Ineos, who were looking for something that was safe to use, quick acting and biodegradable. So this is what we came up with, and as soon as you spray it on, you can start to see it almost immediately eating the dirt away. So here we have a couple of brushes for the drivetrain. This one here is our claw brush, which is just great for getting into those nitty-gritty areas that are hard to reach. And then we have the detailer brush, which is just great for general use on the cassette. So now that we've given the nano cleaner a few minutes to do its thing, we're going to use a brush to agitate the dirt. As you saw earlier, this bike was absolutely caked in mud, so we really need to give it a bit of a scrub before rinsing it. So now we've agitated the dirt with our brush. Next step is we're going to rinse it off with the pressure washer and we should see a gleaming, sparkling bike. Ta-da! How clean does that look now? You can actually see what the bike looks like. So, we're not finished. We've still got 2 steps left: protect and lube. Before we move on to the next step, we're going to just wipe the bike down, make sure it's totally dry. The next step is protect, and it's the one that most people forget about, but is arguably one of the most important, especially if you want your bike to look good and function well for longer. So we're going to use silicone shine. Why? Well, in particularly muddy cyclocross courses, one of the biggest problems you have is mud sticking to the frame. And what that does is not only adds weight to the frame, but it also clogs up the front forks, the chainstay, the seat stay, and affects the drive chain performance. So silicone shine, because of the silicone-based properties in the ingredients, reduces the amount of mud sticking to the frame. Now, although it's safe on almost every surface, we don't want to get it on our disc brakes because it could become contaminated. What we're going to do is put the disc brake covers on to protect them. Final stage, lube. What we're going to do is use the hydrodynamic lube. This was another product like the drivetrain cleaner, which was originally developed for Team Sky, now Ineos. They wanted something that was versatile and durable in wet and dry conditions, which makes it perfect for cyclocross. And there we have it. We've cleaned it, we've protected it, and we've lubed it, and we have a clean, mean, race-ready cyclocross machine. Happy riding!